Hello and welcome to another Landis Attendant Console for Microsoft Teams new update video. This video covers the update for August 2026. A few items I want to tell you about that are part of this new update that is rolling out. First of all, call history. Call history is something that has been in the product. We've made two changes to it. One is it can now synchronize across devices. So if I have the desktop app on multiple devices, or I switch back and forth between the desktop and the web app, my history will follow me or can follow me. I'll show you how to set that up. Second, we are now, and this is going to be big for some of you, we are now able to show missed calls. So if I miss a call, I can come back and look at that history and give them a call back. A new feature that I'm excited about. Let me just show you how to turn that on. We're going into settings. We are going to advanced, and we're dropping down toward the bottom here, save and sync call history, new checkbox there that you'll want to check after you've downloaded the new version. Next is call details, the call details tab. And let me bring a call in to show you that. So call details is something, the call details tab is not new. That's something we've had before. And in case you're not familiar with it, it is a tab that allows us a surface to take notes on a caller. And so if there's a certain caller that we have want to take notes on, we can do that. It also has if we have it enabled, it has our live speech to text transcription showing there. And you can read that and interact with that, including with the AI features. But the change is before you had to have that a surface on your layout dedicated to the contact or to the call details. Now we have a hover spot here at the edge of the call control panel that we can surface those call details. So we can take a note, we can look at the live speech to text transcription. We have the AI features, and that works whether it's a live call or if that call is on hold. I can still come down here and hover on it and get to the call details on that. So a new, largely UI feature, but it's going to be helpful to some organizations that use that heavily. Next is an update that I'm excited about because I've had a number of customers asking for that, and that is just a simple add on the calendar line to showing the location of that meeting. And so why that is important, the use case here is when you have a front desk receptionist that is greeting people as they physically walk through the front door, they're coming up and they're saying, I have a meeting with so-and-so at 3 o'clock. And that receptionist, without leaving the attendant console, is able to find that person, click on them and say, oh yes, that's in the Evergreen room, and give them directions how to get to the location of that meeting. So I'm excited to see that added to the product. Then a couple small ones yet. We changed, you might have noticed this theme is a little bit different. It's called our light theme. It doesn't have the color scheme is a little bit different. And where we're getting that is right here in settings under general. We can switch between classic, which a lot of you were on, dark, and then light. And then the light theme is now the default. The other update around this is before, to switch back and forth, you had to restart the program, and that is no longer the case. We can just do that right from here. And then while I'm here, a new checkbox here, automatically start desktop app on login. For that user that starts up the computer every morning, and one of the main things they need to have open is the attendant console, they can check this box and it'll open when they start when they log into their computer. So that is the update. There's a number of other updates behind the scenes and small fixes. If you want to read about all of them, you can go to our release notes, which will be linked below. If you have any questions about these features or how to implement them in your environment, feel free to reach out to us at landistechnologies.com.